No, my name is Zinhle. I'm Sia's bestie. My name is Mbali. I am not a representative of the Zulu people. And my name is
we are exposing ourselves, guys. Guys, welcome back to Paisa's Face. We are back with another video. As you can see, I'm outside because there's like 4 of us on this video today. Because she's still gonna be here. There's 4 of us. So because of Miss Kakobi, we had to go outside and let the sun fall on our skin, on our beautiful skin. So Mina, I'll be representing Elokshini Snagnawu, Chavito, and then Zinhle will be representing the Joburg Zulu people. We know our
okay, wow, shade.
And then Mbali is also from KZN. She will be representing the suburbs. The Zulu people went to the private school, guys. Like, basically we're here to just expose ourselves. London is behind the camera. She's the one who's gonna say Isizulu. So what we're gonna do is Isizulu or Isaka, right? Isaka, and then we're gonna write it out. They have their phones because I'm using my phone to record, so I'm gonna use the pen and the notebook.
We're gonna be given 15 seconds to write it out.
Yeah, 15 seconds to write it out.
Speak for yourselves, guys. I'm going to.
Because we're always fighting, guys. Over Isizulu, like
mostly them too. Mostly them too. I mean, I've accepted Uguti. I'm not a representative.
Anyways, let's not talk any further, guys.
Like it's not like we're representative, but like, man, we're just gonna see who knows Zulu better. Like, let's see. Zinhle, I'm winning, but.
Obviously, I'm going to win. I know Zulu. I did Zulu homeland. I don't, but
I did first additional, but
I don't think that was.
I speak it at home. That additional?
No, first.
Imagine using that winner, guys. I'll need proper healing and therapy.
The way you don't trust me.
No, because like I'm always like Zinhle, that's not proper Zulu. And if you win here, yeah. Okay.
Oh yes, oh yes, yes. Oh hectic. I'm done.
Stop.
Okay.
I
can start. So it means, you know, like monga mameli, and then but it's sala uchala spona ngoma as in like do that, but uzobona ukuthi the end result won't be good. No, but like it's so long. It's like monga lalel. I said monga lalel.
Yeah, Balisa.
I said it's those type of people who believe it when they see it. Like sort of what Zinhle is saying. They believe it's only when they see it or when it happens to them. I was gonna do it, not when.
Okay, Mbali, your turn.
It's almost.
Let us hear the suburbs.
I said the last 2 year we'll see by the results.
Basically, we're saying almost the same.
The last 2 year we'll see. No,
the last 2 year.
Yeah, I didn't say minumutongeza. You said mina the last 2 year, as in direct translation.
What is it?
Umuntu ongalaleli.
No, it's not believe it. You the only
no.
See it. It's like you.
What? Who believe? You didn't explain.
No, like when
wait,
tells you something.
Stop.
Gandhi,
what did you say?
You say umuntu ongalaleli ubona
ngemphumela
emibi yenzeka.
I said all of that.
It means that if you don't listen, you'll see by the bad results.
I said that.
Right.
I said all of that.
You said when
believe they believe it when they see it.
Okay, but wait.
Don't. We are giving two. Oh, Zinhle got 2 over 2. Paisa got 1 over 2.
2 over 2, guys.
No. Yes, Kuluman. What about Joburg Zulu people meeting?
I'm starting now the countdown.
Can you please repeat that?
Isikhuni sibuya nomkhwezeli.
I learned it.
The countdown is going on.
Start.
Can I read what I wrote so I can explain first before they even take me?
No, why can't I start?
Because I'm good.
Because I'm
when you
good.
do bad results are gonna show.
Okay, thank you.
Like you carry.
Read what you wrote.
A husband come with the wife.
No, you wrote wife. You wrote wife. What's your wife? There you go, Lundi. You know what her entry is, wife. When you wrote wife,
I said do bad results. I was gonna say
do bad results. That's what she wrote.
But in cousin.
No explaining.
You know what I wrote? I said hard times are announced.
Actually, the winner, the answer is, and in English before because of Zulu.
Yeah.
It simply means, he who plays with fire gets bad burns.
Wow. I did not know that.
So it's literally what Palisa said. It was more than ngomlilo.
What did Palisa say though?
If you
No, she didn't say anything that.
No,
she didn't say any fire.
it goes with what. No, I didn't say fire, but
Okay.
No, ukulalela unyende. Ukulala unyende.
Okay, Ulala Unyente, what I thought about was you sleep satisfied.
Oh, I was supposed that.
Okay.
No, like, you know, that refers to like lazy people because they sleep
Read
for the
what you wrote.
Yes, I said to sleep for the longest time. Lazy people, you know,
Yeah.
because they sleep for the longest time and they don't care. So
Yeah.
I said lazy. I was going.
What's the translation?
I just like being lazy.
Unyende.
That's my problem.
Yeah, I've never heard that word.
Okokuqala nje ukulala unyende isisho leso. So umuntu mekuthiwa bamlalela unyende kusho ukuthi
Ukulalela or ukulala.
ukulala kuyafana ukuthi ukulala unyende. Umuntu, like, if you're doing it to someone ulala unyende, but if I'm doing it to you, if it's done to you, bakulalela unyende abantu bayakuzuma. Umuntu mekuzuma usukulalela unyende. Ekhandela
what's
amaqhinga.
that?
Cut you off, like,
Cut you off guard.
God. Oh, that
Let's
makes
you have to get this. Ayikho inkomo yobuthongo.
Guys, clearly I'm not Zulu.
Ayikho iyenzani?
I
Ayikho ubuthongo benkonzo.
ungaphindi Londo say right. I need to go dance. For me, for one time that I don't directly translate, as in no good results come from being lazy.
Yeah, like sleep does not benefit you.
Do work to yield results. No efforts, no results.
Yeah, we're saying the same
Yes.
thing.
There.
Guys,
We are winning.
Alright. Okay, yeah.
I can recall Mbali again.
Asikushuyisa kancane-ke manje. Itshela imi ngothi inkombose kababa.
Oh, I know this. It's telling me, like, is it like?
Don't write down.
Hayi umyeke
Me, what I think it says is what will be, as in what's final is final. Yeah.
Like, lapho kusho mase kunzima, you know, like itshelimi me ngothi ngomfaka. You know ukuthi hayi lapho sekushube. Oh.
Okay.
Yo thola ukuthi.
Oh yeah, it's
No, no,
Ngalo ufihla ama-answer akho.
what did you write? No, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, it's not. Oh yeah, no. I was like, you guys, okay.
Read to actually see what you wrote.
It's waiting for you. Like it's not gonna happen. It's waiting for you to do.
Wrong.
Like it's waiting.
Wrong.
Itshela imi ngothi inkombose kababa kunzima.
Like it makes sense. That's why I was like saying yeah because it makes sense. Not because
Wow.
I'm like
Guys,
Final
no.
is final.
Wow.
okay.
Guys, no.
Final, guys, now
Well,
we-
guys,
West,
you watch it. AmaZulu abasajoleka AmaZulu.
You're not winning. We're still on the
Hold,
same.
hold.
Sala.
Can I just say something?
What?
Zinhle did
Home language.
Zulu home language.
Yes.
That's additional.
How?
No, but all along you were saying, oh, Zinhle salad. They even
No,
call me
no,
salad.
I didn't say that. I didn't
No,
say that.
Police are your
I
friends.
didn't
Saying
say
I'm
that.
salad. Police are
Okay.
friends. I'm salad.
Okay, next one.
But the salad is winning. Yeah, sharp. Shafele, guys.
Right.
It's a living goat for you guys.
Thank you, Zinhle. Thank you, Zinhle. Ukuzibamba ngamazinyo.
Okay. For me, what I think it means is that you're on your last thread, as in after that sekphelile, like you have no, like you, it's your last try, like your very last, you know, I don't know, like your last effort, like your usuphele amandla after that. Okay. Wena Zinhle?
So ukuzibamba amazinyo, like for me, I think it means like holding yourself from saying something.
Okay.
I said preventing yourself from doing something like with your all, like you preventing yourself from.
So basically, you're preventing yourself.
Okay.
For the first time, let's give a round of applause to Mbali.
Wait. No, in my mind. Okay. You know, Mbali don't make kuluma ngita wrong. Okay, Mbals.
No, wait, guys. Who did I say was right?
Mbali.
Mbals.
How guys can get come and get me?
Mbals is the one right. So this is like I'm not thinking.
Guys, that's what I got.
I'm like surprised.
Oh my goodness. Wow. What did you say, buddy?
I said like
Yeah,
it's
but
your
we
last,
didn't even
your last
listen to
effort.
her. We didn't even listen to her because like, oh.
You tell me it's your last effort. You know, like after, so as with afterwards, it's your mind, like it's your last effort, like your last will. Yeah.
Wow, Mbali, please. Yo.
Yeah, kids, I mean, come and get into the ocean for the first time because let me begging. Let me look at me. I didn't listen to the name.
I charged 50 rand for Zulu lessons.
Ukukhomba ngophakathi.
Yo, I know that one, but I don't
Yeah, I've
remember.
heard that. I know for a fact. It means that they like, ngathini, umuntu akublame but akakubalo kwakhe, like sort of thing. As in, I'm calling out all the bad in you without looking at myself as well. Okay.
Oh, is it correct? Oh, sorry. For me, it means like being rich or who's jail, like the common.
Guys, I was literally still thinking. I didn't realize.
Oh, you don't have anything then. What's the answer?
Okay.
The winner is it's being rich. Yes, not to come on phakathi. Yes.
No, when we call a comment.
I was still thinking.
Ake siyazi ukuthi lapho uzothola nje lo.
Why the middle finger?
Ngoba thoma ngabe ukhomba ngophakathi.
Like, yazisho man, urithi.
Hi man,
Mom Zulu
I home language asiyani.
Mom Zulu yayizi ukuthi man isho ukuthi. Mawuthi yazi.
Ngoba le mina kade incinda ngithi igcwele intuthu kade nidla kunenala kini so kade incinda inyama nenzopho so manje the only one uclean lo phakathi nendawo.
How guys.
But in conclusions, like if you knew your Zulu, both of us.
Okay, fine, get next one.
Ukufinya ngendololwane.
Yo, I've heard.
It's fine, but
Wait, ukufinya ngendololwane. Ukufinya konje indololwane, what is it?
Bafuna lokho kubhalile nje futhi ungasho into eningi. Bengakabhali lutho.
No, but we can say.
No, you can't. Listen, I wasn't able to say anything. For me, it's when things are extremely impossible. Like it's impossible. Like you don't even know where to start.
Okay.
Nah, Mbali didn't say I must not answer. She said I must not answer.
No, bengabhalanga lutho.
Let's give her a try.
Hi, Palisa, we didn't give her a try.
Palisa simply said, I don't have nothing.
Yeah, I thought something, but like it was hard to write it down because yeah.
Fine, we don't sympathize.
When you're out of resources, you don't have any other choice.
Yeah, nokuba rich, I just said uba rich.
Okay, yini don't
Be rich.
ufike ngendola ngiyafana nokhoma uphakathi kuba rich.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Makanya
Uyayitshela,
akufani.
No, but I said
You don't
to
have
be
to be
rich.
rich
I said to be rich.
Uthe to be rich at first. Manje ngathi sikhuluma ngokufuna ngendololwane uthe ukuyitshela thula.
Like I knew.
Yeah,
But like the point.
Ukuzigwaza ngowakho.
Okay, hi, this one. To bring bad onto your own.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Like
No,
we've
But
done.
ngicela ukuthi uthi ukunaba kancane on your to your own what?
like to your own family or to your own people. Yeah, well, like to ruin your own relationships or your own whoever,
I also said
anybody who belongs to you. Like
Yeah, like to cause like trials for yourself, you know.
yeah.
I said stabbing
Oneself.
Direct
stabbing your
translation.
foot. No, I'm trying to
Oh, okay.
stabbing yourself in the foot.
Yeah,
like,
we're all saying the same
yeah,
thing.
betraying yourself.
Yeah, like you know.
Definitely, you guys are all right.
Really?
Yeah. Like literally inflicting harm,
Yeah.
like or betrayal, but mostly betrayal on
You
yourself
will
or
go
your
with
own.
I
betrayal.
said betrayal at the end.
Oh, okay. 2, 2, 1.
Hello.
Ah, no.
Yes,
No, but wait, guys. Kunamagama ayi-1, I mean into ayi-1. Kunamagama ayi-2, I mean into ayi-1. I said to cause trial or problem to
To
yourself.
cause.
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
it's almost the same. Ukulinda ngobende inyama ungayidlanga.
Oh, okay.
I know that one.
I feel like, hey, let me actually not. I think it means like to complain about something that you haven't experienced personally. Like to, yeah. To, yeah.
No, it doesn't mean like. It means like to be blamed for something you didn't do.
Say the same thing. Being blamed for something you didn't do. I
Yeah.
wrote it even as an
Okay, and then
2-1. Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, they're right. Ulodo njani. Ukusola ngento ungayenzanga.
I was almost there.
Yeah, you're almost there, my friend.
Complaining.
Ukubophela amanqina enyathi.
Yo, I've heard that one so many times and I still don't know it. Is to bet on something.
It's true?
Bet.
I
Like,
don't know. I'm not
like
in
to
that
put
line.
your money on something.
Okay.
Okay.
Like it's to like count your chicken before they hatch.
Okay.
That's the same as betting, most. Okay, Wena?
I don't know. I'm not even. I don't know.
All of you guys are right. Ubophela amanqina enyathi ukukhandela umuntu itulo.
What's that?
Hey, yawona kithi
Hey, Ulondi, guys. Hey.
Oh, Mbali, I'm just going to make an example ukuze understand kahle. Makuthiwa umuntu ukubophela amanqina enyathi. Like lo muntu
Trap kanje.
ukhandela itrap, yes, uyacupha.
I just
I
got
thought
it.
about that.
Ukhandela iyacupha.
I thought about it.
I got it. Yabona ukuthi bebe ngikhohlika
Ukhandela itrap lo muntu leyo.
Yeah, you know what? I thought
Ukwakhela
about it.
uzungu. Yes.
I thought about it. Then I was like, no, it
Setting
can't
up.
be direct translation though. Because I was
No,
like,
but like at least let me get half a point.
I didn't. I didn't.
Okay.
Manje amanqina enyathi angena video.
Imikhombe iyenanana.
Okay. Angiyazi nami ukuthi ikhombe yini, but ngizosho lokho. Like good people build each other. Okay,
Wow, so Mr. Shudo right?
yeah,
Okay,
it's
okay, for me like umkhombe uyananana, umkhonde, whatever. But it means to go to like like things.
ngisho lokho
Yes.
kubhaliwe.
Things are fine.
Things are fine.
Which is umqimqala, which is umkhonde.
But that culture, this is a Zulu video.
Oh, sharing is caring.
Mbali, what did you say?
I said good people
I
build
said
each other up.
sharing is caring, helping is caring.
Yeah.
Lento njengokuthi izandla ziyagezana.
Yeah,
No, Mbali.
I don't know.
Like people help each other.
No, wrong, right?
Umuntu omunye mangisiza nawe uyangisiza.
Yes.
sharing is
No.
caring.
No, it's not the same
Guys,
thing.
guys, what is sharing
No.
is caring?
Sharing is
Sharing
caring.
is caring means that if I nginomningi nami ngizokupha.
Isn't
But
that like-
izandla zakezana, it's like if I take care of you, take care of me.
Me.
Yeah.
You scratch my back.
Sharing caring, it can be like one-sided.
Yeah, sharing. Yeah, it's not like we are like almost like
Ulondo uthe yes girl right. Okay, anyways.
it's almost like normal.
I'll give a
Like,
good
Guys, was that me?
yeah, that was you.
It is
The
me.
suburban girl. Akukho zinyane lengwenya ladliwa imvubu kwacweba iziziba.
Awuphinde.
How you going to know that?
Yeah. Wenzenjani uma
Yeah, it's Tarazelo. That's a clear name.
Akukho zinyane lengwenya ladliwa imvubu kwacweba iziziba.
Guys,
Okay, for me, it's almost like a power role, as in the one cannot, like the head can, the low one cannot be overcome by the head. As in, like you as a younger child can't set the rules like over the eldest person.
Mbali, you are right. You don't
Okay. Mbali, how is it?
For me, it means like, you know, like,
Abhalanga lutho, but funda lo.
yeah, it means like, ukuthi yabo,
Okay,
because she doesn't write to get
yeah,
advantage.
but it's
like, it means ukuthi, like, every good things have good results, yabo. Ukuthi ayikho nje into engeke na nento enhle.
Oh, okay. Oh, that actually sounds.
Okay.
This one sounds proper.
Awukho zi what. Hey. And
Yeah,
so,
it sounds-
you can't just do something bad and then not expect ukuthi
Oh, yeah, so
ukwenze
results.
lutho kuwena, or like consequence ingabi khona for you doing something bad,
Umbalo
harming
guy.
someone.
Wrong. Yeah,
Who do you guys think is correct?
Mbali.
I think I'm right.
Palesa is right. Listen to this. But akukho zinyana, like, listen to guys. Akukho
I'm just like, man.
amazinyane nemvubu. I mean, izingwenya nemvubu bonke they share water. Amazwi engwe like a mother crocodile.
Yeah.
Like amazwi mother crocodile ethi ingane yami nje mase ethi ngane mhlambe imbuzi uthi ulinywe ubani ethi ngilinywe imvubu.
So you know all of this.
And then mase yasho umama wemvubu nje. I mean umama wengwenya out of ukudini ukuthi akukho zinyane lengwenya mina ingakhonga nyami yalunywa imvubu qede ixola iziziba ngithi bonke bahlale ezindeni.
But like,
But that's what I meant.
see, mina cutting gears, I'm thinking because the crocodile is
Yeah.
bigger or stronger
Yes,
than
then hippo.
this one cannot overcome this
No,
one.
but
As
for
you are
me, it
saying.
was like,
Yes,
they're
it
making about
makes sense.
results in the ukuthi yabo manje into like there's always.
Hey guys,
But
zero.
eyamiyela ngakhona,
Guys,
eyamiyela
Neta,
ngakhona.
But mine-
zero.
Eyamiyela
Zero nje,
ngakhona.
hayi bingayi
But
ndawo.
guys, Palesa is right.
I'm right, okay,
is a
I'm
power
okay.
role.
No,
Okay, Palisa, you are right.
Yes,
Palisa, you're right.
It's a power role.
It is a power role. You
Can't
cannot
be right.
overcome
Total
law.
zero, Mbali.
Okay, Palisa is right. I won.
But Palesa ishaye okay.
Esikhongosini,
Yes.
ngisho esikhongosini, ngisho lo.
Wow, Sizulu!
But engisho ukuthi
Ngisho
nami
esikhongosini.
Yeah,
for
by
me,
your
I was saying
explanation,
ukuthi like-
yeah, you thought about it,
ukuthi
man.
like
Nice.
the power ukuthi the one who has more power than the other cannot be
True.
overcome.
Yeah,
by
but
the-
actually,
No, Zulu.
yeah, no,
Hayi,
Sizulu.
but
I'm
comment asho ukuthi
But
I'm
Palisa,
Yes,
Palisa,
you guys, please comment.
Palisa,
on
tell
what
me
you
about
guys.
it.
Mina, I represented my Luxian people, okay?
And-
Like, say, I
guys-
was there, guys. Like,
guys-
I didn't respond to anyone.
Yeah,
Mhlambe uhulumeni usethe umthetho, right? You cannot change the law because you're not in the place. So
Yeah, it
even if
makes
you do
sense what you're
something,
saying, but not in this context.
Oh, okay, it's
Okay?
fine, yeah.
Like, in this context, I'm the one who's right. I'm the one making
You're the
sense.
one who's
Because
right.
I'm the one representing the cool gang who knows the Zulu.
Zinhle uphila one lapha.
Angiphambi uzinto one, vele bengi-right. Iyansa yami be-right.
Kodwa phila.
Yeah, I get
Angiphambi
it.
uzinto angiphambi.
I
Uzinto
get it.
Awuthi
No,
sisho-
no.
awuthi sisho sizofanele
I was not
Palisa
given,
kumanje.
we are not given
Oh,
anything,
ngishana
guys.
kanjani? Ngishana- awusisisho nje, asikho sisho esifanayo.
ubophele nje nogodo.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngivele njenge-prefect. Ugada ukuthi
Yeah, actually, we forgot about that.
awukhola.
Okay, guys, I won.
No.
More of the story, ukuthi guys, ningadeleli abantu baseJoburg. We know Zulu, ukuthi nje, we choose not to. you
Zinhle,
know.
what you didn't win, Zinhle.
No, but I
Eh,
did win.
That's her final parting thought. What is your final parting thought?
I think I won. Actually, I think we, like, we tied.
No, just don't be
And I think we all
nice.
got exposed that we don't know our language as much and that we need to learn it, all of us.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
But
Mina,
also
my
say-
final parting thought is that this was nice, although being a Zulu is more about speaking. Uziyahluleka with speaking. Ukwazizisa kuzokusiza ngalutho except when you're trying to impress abantu abadala.
But also
About
like,
speaking, guys, man, ngingakhuluma
No,
nami
but like-
ngokukhuluma isiZulu. Nje.
but like I feel like if uthisha wesiZulu abukela ethi ugirl uyazazi izisho, I'm really so proud
But
of my.
Zinhle, ukhuluma nobaba, ukhuluma ngezisho nje.
No, but I do talk to you guys. I do talk to
I think Mina, you did very well. Then,
Yeah,
compared to
also
what I
think you
thought.
did very well. But at the end of the day, when it's holidays, we're going to KZN. You're going to Johannesburg.
Otsalai, I go there and we speak proper Zulu.
No, you didn't.
Yadala,
Anyways,
guys.
guys, thank you for like coming onto my channel, and like I hope you guys enjoyed this and
As much as we
as much
did.
as we did, and like yeah, I think we learned a lot, like
Yeah.
quite a lot. Even me, I was so shocked.
Yeah.
Guys, I can still speak Zulu.
And to my Zulu teacher, if you watch this, thank you so much for teaching proper Zulu, that I can use it, you know?